right, so today we have Miss Olivia here ready for her kitty glitter. Oh my goodness, look at her. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put some kitty litter in there for her so she could start using her kitty litter. She's like, right here, put my litter. Alright, there we go. We're putting in the kitty litter for them. Make sure it's nice and coated. Okay, oh, she's intrigued. She's like, what is this? Oh, nice and shiny. This is Miss Fifi. There are my Cammy. Hi, Cam. Are you gonna go in the tub? Oh. Ooh, there is Miss Olivia. She was so intrigued of it. Look at her. Olivia likes to scratch the walls, so this one's a good one. Okay, oh, there's Miss Olivia.